To turn the lamp on and off, I decided to use a simple mechanism, where the contact is mechanically broken when the fork is lifted from the stand. The simplest way was to use the mechanism from an old vape. To install the magnets and contacts inside, I simply drill some holes in the fork. As you may know, for the current to flow, there should be two contacts, but since the fork is made of silver and conducts electricity, the fork itself acts as a large contact, so only one additional pin is needed. However, the challenge was that the pin had to be in the fork, but also isolated from it. I solved this by placing a thin layer of insulation tape between the contact and the fork, which I glued inside with epoxy. The magnets were also installed this way. To power the spaghetti, I used an LED controller from AliExpress. It provides 100 mA of current for the LEDs. As the controller is powered by 230 volts AC, and since the stand is made of metal, it has to be grounded. Safety always comes first. The counterpart for the fork is also part of the vape. To combine those together, I simply used two-component epoxy. This was my first time sculpting something, so don't judge me too harshly. However, the part turned out to be decent. Definitely performs its function, but it could have been better if I'd 3D printed it. For example, using PCBWay's 3D printing services. I do not have a 3D printer at home, and ordering such a part from PCBWay would cost me less than $5. Definitely cheaper than buying a 3D printer and supplies for it. So if you need to 3D print or CNC machine something, but you don't have an opportunity to do it at home, the link for the PCBWay is in the description. Finally, let's talk about the spaghetti. Traditional spaghetti is made of milled wheat and does not conduct electricity. Spaghetti glows only if you burn it. However, the LED spaghetti I'm using is made of small light emission diodes on a flexible substrate. And they do glow, very brightly by the way. So it is just perfect for a lamp like this, but not so great for your digestive system. After assembling, it's time to test it. I hope it doesn't explode. It looks perfect, even better than I expected. The stand is flexible and allows for adjusting the fork's position. I can say this lamp is perfect for all Italians or spaghetti lovers. The two magnets I used turned out to be strong enough to hold the fork in place, so it doesn't even slide when I shake the lamp. By the way, this is one of the best lamps I've ever made, almost as cool as the sunset lamp I built from an old camera lens, or the infinity mirror from the previous video. By the way, don't forget to check those videos as well.